As the pandemic is taking its new curve, I urge everyone to wash your hands, keep social distancing, wear your masks, and also get vaccinated as soon as possible. Thanks for coming everyone, my name is Manish, you're watching Technspice. Here is the Huawei Scale 3, an updated version of the Huawei Smart Body Fat Scale. I previously featured that device in my channel. If you missed, don't worry, the links are in the description. So what exactly does the latest Smart Scale 3 pack have to offer? It includes HUAWEI TruFit, which was co-developed by Hefei Institute of Physics Science and the Chinese Academy of Science, and Huawei. It has more than 10 body indicators as well as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and other features. So in this video, I'll share my views of this product. So let's get started.
Yeah.
The Huawei Smart Scale 3 has a design that is typically of devices in this category. A 5mm thick tempered glass plate with a white lining on top. Huawei logo at the center and 4 stainless steel platform on top. Their practical intent I'll tell you in some time, and on the top there is the LED display. On the back, 4 grey plastic feet with a non-slippy rubber. The sliding hatch conceals AAA batteries and a reset button above. Also note that batteries are not included. On the bottom of the scale is the sticker with various details and a QR code for installing the new version of Huawei Health app. This is essential for the scales to bind to your smartphone correctly. So let's move on to the next level. First, you have to download the Huawei Health app from the Huawei app gallery or the Huawei website. The app is available in Play Store but may not be latest version. Here's where the QR code from the package or the scale sticker comes in handy. Everything else is straightforward. Go to the device tab and click add. Enable Bluetooth and location, then find scale 3 in the list. Then stand on the scale on 2 feet and link the scale to your Huawei Health account according to the screen's instructions. Link the scale to your home Wi-Fi network after it has been set up to sync data with the Huawei cloud and install updates more quickly. Use the network section of the Wi-Fi system to accomplish this. The network password will be allowed to be entered. The only available frequency is 2.4 GHz. In order to get a quick measurement, you must stand on 2 metal scales. This is the sensor on the scale detects your heart rate through the pads. Avoid moving until the measurement is over. First, the scale will show your current weight, then your body fat percentage, and finally your heart rate. If you want the data to be stored in your account, you need to open the Huawei Health app, tap on the measure on the toolbar, then step on the scale. It's over. Detailed results are provided within the app. An extensive range of body composition information is provided. Weight index, body density, bone mineral density, and many other important facts about the body are available. Additionally, it will tell you how much you need to lose to get to your ideal weight, how many calories daily to maintain your current weight, and a bit more. There is a wealth of data and everything is supported by documented theories. So to conclude, the Smart Scale 3 is the valuable data source for the health app if you want. If your smartphone and fitness wrist mounted trackers do track your activity and exercises, then the scale will allow you to set an important overall weight goal additionally. Detailed information is available which yields interesting results. Of course, you can enter your own data, however, only a tiny percentage of consumers will bother doing so. I found this useful at home and so you might too. That's it from me today. Hope you liked this video. If yes, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media handles. Thanks for watching. This is Manish signing off.